What do Americans mean when they say, you spilled the beans? مانای چیه کاتێک کەسی ئەمریکی ئەڵێ تۆ فاسۆلیاکانت ڕژاند؟ This is a very common American English idiom. ئەمە دەستەواژێکی ئەمریکی کە زۆر باوە. But the meaning of this saying has no connection with beans at all. بەڵام مانایەکەی هیچ پەیوەندی نییە لەگەڵ فاسۆلیا. So, what does it mean? And how can you use it in English conversation? That's what I'm going to teach you today. Ba dەst pێ bikain. Let's get started. To spill the beans is a phrase that you will hear in American conversation and in films. Here's what it means. To reveal secret information by mistake. Ashkra kردنی زانیاری نهێنی بە هەڵە. We use this idiom anytime someone has information they should protect, but instead they share it openly. They spill it. دەستەواژەیە بەکاربهێنین هەر کاتێک کە کەسێک ئەبێ زانیاری نهێنی بیپارێزێت. بەڵام لە جیاتیەوە باسی ئەکات. ئەڕێژێت. Imagine that you have a big bag of dry beans and you spill them all over the floor. This situation will take some time to clean up. One time my family was in Hadraman in the village of Biara, and we went inside a shop. Inside this shop, they had a large sack of walnuts. Lam dukana fardeki grez lewebu kazor gaurabu. My young son touched one of these sacks of walnuts, and it fell over, and walnuts spilled all over the floor of the shop. I felt very embarrassed. Zor sharmazarbun. This is what it feels like when you reveal secret information, when you spill the beans. You feel embarrassed because now others know something they are not supposed to know. Pushka barezakam. Have you ever had a situation like this? Maybe you are planning a surprise birthday party for your best friend. All of your friends are supposed to keep the party secret, but one of them forgets and she talks about the party when she is with your best friend. It's too late. She has spilled the beans. Now your best friend knows about the surprise birthday party. And your friend who spilled the beans, now she wants to die. Okay, not really die, but she feels very embarrassed. Gunaha. Khushka barezakam. If this example was helpful for you, then please hit that subscribe button. Zor spas. Agar am numuneya basud bu bet boto, tekaya panje dukme subscribe ka. Mamnunatam. Now you know that you can use this idiom to spill the beans anytime that you have a situation like this. You can even use it to try to get someone to share a secret with you. Come on, spill the beans. I want to hear it. And now you know that when Americans say someone spilled the beans, they're not talking about actual beans. Basi fasolya nakan. But secret information that has been revealed by mistake. Till tomorrow, hatasabene, khwahafiz.